ready to turn your passion into profit by recommending products you love. Let's dive into how to sign up for Amazon Affiliates, the Amazon Associates program. First, head over to the Amazon Associates website. You'll want to look for the Sign Up button, usually prominently displayed. Click on that to begin your application. If you already have an Amazon customer account, you can use your existing login details. If not, you'll need to create a new Amazon account first. This is the same account you'd use for personal shopping. After logging in, you'll be guided through a multi-step application. The first section is your pay information. This is where you'll enter your personal or business details, including your name and address. Make sure this is accurate, as it's how Amazon will know who to pay. Next, it's time to tell Amazon about your online presence. You'll need to list your website URLs, blog addresses, or mobile app names where you plan to promote Amazon products. You can add multiple if you have them. This is crucial, as they'll be checking these to ensure they meet their guidelines. Amazon wants to see that you have a legitimate platform. This typically means a website or app that regularly publishes content, ideally related to the products you intend to recommend. Think product reviews, helpful guides, or niche-specific content. They generally won't approve accounts solely for social media pages. The next section is your profile. Here, you'll select the categories and topics that best describe your content. This helps Amazon understand what kind of products you'll be best suited to promote. Be honest and specific. After that, you'll be asked about how you drive traffic to your websites and how you use links. Answer these questions truthfully, detailing your content creation plans and how you intend to incorporate affiliate links. Finally, you'll need to provide your payment and tax information. This includes how you want to be paid, usually via direct deposit, and your tax identification number. Amazon needs this for reporting purposes. Once you've submitted your application, you'll receive a confirmation your account will be reviewed by Amazon. You can start using the program almost immediately. But be aware that a final approval for commission payments will happen after you make your first qualifying sale within a set time frame. Welcome to the Amazon Associates program.